What's good, family? Good evening. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully, everybody had a wonderfully blessed, safe day. And y'all know what time it is, baby. It's that Wild Wild West cryptoland time where your boy drops developing and breaking Doge and overall crypto market news. Guys, none of this is ever financial advice. Just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, guys, are you ready to find out what's all good in the Doge hood? But without further ado, let's just get it, baby. Guys, Bitcoin's down 0.63, 0.6%. We're sitting at 39,926 and 31 cents. Oh no, we're going all the way to 20K, guys. People are still saying, guys, that we're going to hit, the mid 20s to the lower 30s. You know what I mean? But we'll see what happens. Me personally, I don't see us going any lower than 30 if we did go, but I don't see us going that far down anyways. But who am I and what do I know? Anyways, we'll get into some overall Bitcoin news here in a tad bit. Let's dive into Dogecoin, which is currently number 11. We're sitting at 0.139. We're down 1.5%, guys. Our 24-hour low was up 1.39, where we're sitting at right now. And our 24-hour high was 0.145. Now, market cap is sitting at 18.5 billion and volume is at $596.8 million. Now, let's talk about resistance and support. Okay, guys, not much has changed, but I did want to point out, let me get let me shrink this down a little tad bit. So, as you can see, right, this red line, which is the 21-day exponential moving average. Okay, let me get my scribbler real quick, guys. That's the exponential moving average, right, guys? And that is our support. And that is coming in at 0.145, okay? So right here, obviously. And you see it runs very parallel. It's running right underneath that mid Bollinger Band. The white line there, guys, that's the Bollinger Band, okay? That's the mid Bollinger Band. As you can see, we're pretty much running right underneath it. And as you can see here, right, we tested it yesterday and we got rejected. And as you can see where we're at now, right, obviously that level of resistance coming in at that 0.145 at that exponential moving average is looking to be a pretty strong level of resistance. We got rejected yesterday, guys. We had a little nice pump yesterday after my video. About an hour later, right, guys, we had a nice little pump, but nonetheless we got rejected. Now down here is the lower Bollinger Band, and that is coming in at 0.131, and that is our level of support. Like I said, not much has changed other than the fact, as you can see, we tested, like I said right here, we tested resistance at that 21-day moving average, and the upward momentum wasn't able to sustain, and the bulls could not break this level of resistance at the 0.145. So that's still resistance, okay, guys, and supports at 0.131, which is 13 cents. All right, guys, if any questions, please feel free to let me know down in the comments. Now, let's dive into some Doge news before we dive into some overall crypto market news. Now, it says Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Is the meme coin craze over? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you think the craze is over. I surely don't, right? It's a correction, guys. Now it says the frenzy around meme coins took over the crypto market in 2021 with a monumental I can't say the word right, rise of more than 10,000%. Dogecoin thrashed every opponent and entered the list of top 10 crypto digital currencies. The story of Shiba was no different. The biggest rival of Dogecoin performed better than its counterpart in 2021. In fact, for a brief period, the market cap of Shiba Inu jumped above the overall value of Doge. It did, guys. Shiba went on a crazy massive run too, right? That's why it's number 2 meme coin, right? But they cannot supersede and surpass the triple OG Dogecoin, right? Which is number 1 meme coin, right? It holds the crown, baby. And no one's going to take that crown from Dogecoin. Now it says, meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu may be performing woefully at the moment, but by no means implies they are fizzling out their relevance. The broader market is underperforming at the moment, and by virtue of the nature, meme coins are poised to print a far wider rate of decline based on their volatility. Now, you guys hear that, guys, right? They're not fizzing out, guys. It's the overall crypto markets is what they're saying. That's what they mean, right? The broader market is underperforming. So, obviously, it's the overall markets, but being meme coins, right? They're going to see a lot more volatility per se, as you would, your top 5 coins, but they're all seeing volatility regardless, right? Not just the meme coins, guys. A lot of every coin is seeing blood, right? Everybody's seeing blood. So it says, according to Wenzel, the current market conditions are tough, but under the normal market situation, meme coins will skyrocket once again, right? So obviously, guys, in their opinion, no, meme coins are not fizzing out, and I agree as well. It says when normalcy seems to return to the market, we can expect Dogecoin and Shiba Inu to do what they know how to do best. That is chart a massive upward growth. With the current market downturn, a number of investors have lost a lot of money, and the first instinct by many risk takers will be to invest in tweet sensitive coins that can help boost the prices of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Based on this, we are likely to see massive retail cash inflows in these top meme coins in a short while. Windows added. So, guys, obviously they believe once the market gets better, right? They're gonna pump, and I know they are. I know Dogecoin, I know Shiba. They're gonna go to the moon, man, once again. But right now we're having, as people say, a crypto winter, right? We're having some, a correction. We're 60% down from our all-time highs of 73 cents. It is what it is, guys. But you just got to remember, when in doubt, zoom out, and you got to ask yourself, why are you investing in crypto? Why are you investing in Doge or Bitcoin or Shiba or whatever altcoins you are invested in? Me in particular, I'm talking about Dogecoin at this moment, right? I have strong conviction in Dogecoin, and I can ride the wave, the ups and downs of the crypto volatility, right? And they're growing pains, right? That's just part of growing pains, guys, of cryptocurrencies. You know what I mean? It's going to be volatile until it gets more mainstream and more adoption. All right, let's dive into our next article here. Now it says Elon Musk says Tesla to accept Dogecoin at payment at supercharging stations. Tesla will soon accept cryptocurrency Dogecoin as a mode of payment at its supercharging stations located in Santa Monica, California, tweeted by Elon Musk, chief executive officer of Tesla, on Saturday morning, February 19th. After this announcement, price of Dogecoin started rising upward, right? But obviously we got rejected, guys. We got rejected at that 21-day exponential moving average. Now it says Ryan Z, the founder of Tesla Console, confirmed in the tweet that soon after 10 minutes of the offer to accept Dogecoin, the supercharger stations located in Santa Monica got fully occupied by customers. Wow, that's pretty cool, guys. You know what I mean? 10 minutes, guys. After they put it up, people were already out there using their Dogecoin, obviously, in Santa Monica. This is cool. Musk replied to this offer and provided details about the plans to open dinner and drive-ins in the theater at the supercharging stations. Customers can surely make payments in the shape of Dogecoin against both pre-planned facilities. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, there are mainly different types of coins and tokens. One example is Dogecoin. Okay, we already know this, the breakdown, right? Blah, 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 blah. Now it says Elon Musk fulfilled his words. The recent progress is the ongoing part of Musk's December announcement that major electric cars manufacturer Tesla will test Dogecoin as a mode of payment in the company's merchandise. Tesla will make some merch buyable with Doge and see how it goes, Musk said in a tweet, a decision which has since gone well. Right, the company sells apparel, including T-shirts, hats, belt buckles, mini models of their vehicles that can be bought with Dogecoin. Right now, like they said, right, he's a man of his word. He said that that they were going to accept Doge as a form of payment for their merch, and they did. And now they're doing it for their super station and for their charging station for their vehicles in Santa Monica, California. So, he's fulfilling his promise to the Doge community, guys, which is cool, and that's why he is the Doge father, right? But all right, guys, now this is what I had as far as Dogecoin goes. As far as news goes, we'll dive into some overall crypto market news here in a second. But like I said, guys, so we did see a little spike, guys. This did act as a positive catalyst. As you seen in the article, it said within the first 10 minutes, people were already down there, you know what I mean, at these Tesla stations in Santa Monica, California, and were, obviously using their Dogecoin. But it did spike the price, but nonetheless, guys, we got rejected. The bulls weren't able to push through that resistance at that 21-day exponential moving average coming in at that 0.145 area. So, all right, guys, now let's dive into some overall crypto market news. Thank you for being with me on this Saturday, guys. Now, where is it? Oh, okay, right here. Let's dive into this article right here, guys. Now it says Marty Bennett explains the importance of Bitcoin self custody in U.S. national TV. Now this is humongous, guys. There was this guy right here on the left, right, already had talked, briefly about Bitcoin, right? He gave an explanation the best he could, but this guy on the right here obviously talks about crypto, knows crypto, right? He has a podcast, and on national TV, he was able to explain the benefits and the good things of Bitcoin, right? So there was a big. This is like, what is the word I'm looking for? What is the word I'm looking for? Yeah, it'll come to me in a second. Let's read the article. It says, once again, Bitcoin takes the big stage. Marty Bentz, host of Tales from the Crypto podcast, told a national audience, right, they can only seize your digital currency, your Bitcoin, if you're holding it in an exchange, which is true, guys. Now, TV personally Tucker Carlson's show, the general theme, once again, was the Canadian truckers, right? Obviously, they're trying to seize their Bitcoin, guys, because it's on an exchange, right? A centralized exchange such as Kraken or Coinbase, right? Those are what you call centralized exchanges. Now, if you're on like Uniswap, something like that, 1inch, all these decentralized P2P, peer-to-peer platforms, right? Then they can't do anything. They can't freeze your crypto. Why? Because you own your own keys. You are your own bank, right? And that's what this breakdown gives here, right? And it says, right? No, it says the first minutes are Marty Bent free. Carlson explaining the Canadian say, okay, we're not gonna read it. Check this article out, guys. It's a really good article and it gives the breakdown, right? But we publicity. There you go. We got positive publicity once again on national TV for the whole world to see, and not just that, guys. A lot of people's uh views of Bitcoin are changing because of this whole situation with the truckers in Canada and the whole, on how Bitcoin can be used as not privacy, but like you're your own bank and they can't jack your money. They can't freeze your money, right? If you're on a if you're decentralized, if you have it on a cold wallet, or, if you're your own bank, if you have your own keys. And the way to do that, the way the gentleman explains here in this article, obviously is if you're not on a centralized exchange, right? That's the only way they can freeze your crypto. But we got some positive publicity out of this, guys, and you know what I mean. Just goes to show you, adoption is here, and this is changing, helping change people's mindset on the way they think of Bitcoin in a positive matter. So this is a really really good thing. Another notch for victory, getting us just that much closer to adoption and for Bitcoin to go mainstream. All right, guys, this is what your boy had for you, man, on this Saturday. Hopefully, it was informative, helpful, useful, and insightful. For was, all I ask for is please consider to like and subscribe. Your boy is out until tomorrow. Peace. Stay safe out there, guys.